Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be getting straight into it and I'm going to be showing you guys how to file nails. I'm going to be starting off with stiletto, and for a stiletto shape, you're going to be using your straight edge nail clipper to clip both sides of the nails. The practice hand that I'm using today is from Amazon, and if you would like to purchase, you can find it in my Amazon storefront. It'll be listed in the description below. So after you finish clip the nails, you're just going to be filing the sides, and you're just going to be alternating from side to side, making sure that your nail file is as straight as possible because you don't want your shape to end up crooked. You also don't want to file too much, so just make sure you're paying attention to how much you're filing on the sides and just making sure that you get the nail as straight as you get the shape as straight as possible. The next nail shape I'm going to be showing you guys is almond, and for almond it's a little bit different. You're going to be using your curved nail clippers to clip at the ends to create that rounded tip, and then you're going to go in with your nail file and you're going to be filing it to the desired I would say taperedness. Some clients may like it a little bit thicker on the sides, some like it a little bit more in. So it's really just up to what the client wants with this shape. But again, you just want to make sure that you're keeping your file at an angle for this one to create the roundness at the tip, and making sure that you're paying attention to both sides so that they are both even and that you're not filing too much. For the next shape, we're going to be doing tapered square. So it's just a square shape. It's just not as wide as the initial square would be. Most people opt for this shape here. So as others like to call it, like skinny square. And for that, you're just going to be using your straight edge clippers just to clip a little bit on the side. And you're using your nail file, not even too much, just to straighten it out. So you keep your file as straight as possible to get that crisp shape, alternating from side to side, and just making sure you don't file too much because this is really just square. So you don't need to do too much with that shape. So the last and final shape that I'm going to be showing you guys how to do is coffin shape. With coffin, you're also going to be using your straight edge nail clipper. You're going to be clipping that at an angle on both sides. And you're going to take your nail file and file both sides also at an angle, and making sure both sides are even. So you just have to watch what you're doing, making sure you're not filing too much, and just making sure that both sides are even. So you're just gonna file until you get that desired coffin look. Here is the final result. I hope that you guys found this video very useful and very helpful. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments, and I'll see you guys in my next video.